Once upon a time, in the far corner of the world, a significant historical event occurred on March 3, 1875. On this day, the first ever ice hockey game took place in Montreal, Canada. The game was not like the swift and skillful sport we see today, but rather a primitive version where ice skaters leisurely hit a flat wooden block with crudely fashioned sticks. It was an exciting spectacle for the townsfolk who gathered to witness this spectacle, illustrating the power of sporting events in bringing people together. Fast forward to March 3, 1931, another momentous event occurred. The United States of America adopted the Star-Spangled Banner as its national anthem. After years of being played at government and military functions, the song that Francis Scott Key wrote during the War of 1812 received official recognition. It signified the nation's resilience and determination, teaching children the importance of unity and patriotism. Then came March 3, 1969, one of the monumental instances when the United States launched the Apollo 9 mission to rehearse the lunar landing. It showed the world the commitment and courage of humans to explore the unknown. 3 brave astronauts, James McDivitt, David Scott, and Rusty Schweickart, piloted the first flight with the complete Apollo spacecraft. The mission was a success, adding another feather in humanity's cap of exploration and discovery. The event signifies the importance of ambition and bravery to kids, inspiring them to reach for the stars. Several years later, on March 3, 1991, a shocking event was captured by a video camera, which changed the course of history. Rodney King, an African American, was brutally beaten by Los Angeles police officers following a high-speed car chase. The video, watched by millions, sparked waves of protests across the country and exposed the ugly reality of racism and police brutality in America. While this memory was grim, it highlighted the importance of